Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to do these cute curly hairstyles that work for both short and long hair. I start by spraying the hair with water. Make sure I'm always working with wet hair to avoid frizz and tangles. Then I do a middle part and pin away any unwanted hair out of the way. I grab a section at the front about 2 inches and then tie it into a half bun. Then split it into 2 and grab the hair that's left out the bun and go over the middle of the bun to create a bow. I repeat the same step on the other side. Add more water once the style is finished to add more curl and definition. And we are all done. Look how cute this looks. On to the second hairstyle. It's similar to a cornrow, but instead of braiding, you are twisting it. I'm starting at the parietal ridge and creating 6 twists. Each will be about ½ inch. The trick is to grab a small amount of hair and twist it as you pick up more hair until you reach the crown of the head. Make sure to keep a tight grip as you twist so it does not come out. Also, whatever side you start, you twist to the opposite side. So if you start on the left, you are going to the right, and then if you are on the right, then you go to the left. Once the twists are done, I go over it with any curly defining cream and water to get rid of all the frizzes. You can use a hair diffuser after you are done if you live in a cold country to dry the hair so you don't walk around with wet hair. This last step is optional. I like to add these cute haircuts that I got from Shein because I find them so cute and it just adds to the style. Look how good this looks and so easy to recreate at home. For the third hairstyle, I'm doing a middle part once again. I'm grabbing about an inch section and securing it with a hair tie. I make another section behind it, slightly wider. This time I tie it along with the first section. So every time I make a section, I make it wider and add the previous section to it. I repeat this step until I reach the crown area. Now I add the golden cuffs to cover the elastic. Then I use the hair that's left out at the end and create a bun. Look at these final results. This is so cute for a rave or even when you're on vacation. For the fourth hairstyle, I'm doing half up, half down. I'm starting at the parietal ridge and going about halfway to the crown. I'm only leaving the hair at the very front for a soft face framing effect. The trick for short hair is to use a boar bristle brush to smooth out the section and use a bobby pin to secure it. Then I move on to the bangs. I'm spraying them down with water and twisting it for better definition. Look how easy and cute it turned out. Now onto the fifth hairstyle. It's perfect for those who love a side part. You can choose either left side or right side. I'm doing it on the left side so the twist will be going towards the right side. It's the same concept as the second hairstyle, adding more hair as you twist it. Then I cover the hair elastic with the clip. And we are all done. This will go so well for vacation with a cute summer dress. Thank you for watching. Comment down below any other hair videos you would like to see.